This is an app that can help you to calculate a quadratic sequence. So if you are given three term number 1, let's say it's 1, term number 2 it's 5, it's 11, term number 3, make sure that it's quadratic sequence that you are putting it, or else you won't get the right answers. So this represents, what does it mean? T1, T2, T3, term number 1, term number 2, and then we're going to check the equation. So this is the equation, as you can see, for determining the general formula for quadratic sequence. Clear shows step by step how to get to the answer. And then this is the step quadratic sequence. Let's do T1, T2, T3. So this is T1, as you have put it from there. T2, T3. First difference, the difference between these two, 1 and 5, it's 4. The difference between T3 and T2, it's 11 minus 5, which is 6. And then the difference between the second difference between the 4 and the 6, it's 2. And then you can calculate the value of a. 2a equals to 2. Divide both sides by 2, then our a it's 1. And then we're using the first different equation. So from this one, you just use the first different equation. You know that the first term it's 1, so we just put 1, 1, 1. Where there's n, we just put 1. Call this equation 1. And then for taking the second term, substitute, call this equation 2. Then we're going to take both of these equations and subtract each other. Then you're getting T4. Then subtracting this is 0. Then making b the subject of the formula from this one. A is b, equal this equation 3. Solve for b when a is equals to 1, because it's 1a from this one. And then substitute the value of a there, and then subtract, then you get b. Then equation, from the equation, make c the subject of the formula from the equation 1. So this is equation 1, as you can see. We make c the subject of the formula, and then c, and then you call it equation 4. Then it's going to substitute solving for c, going to substitute the t1, p1, and a1, the one that you have calculated before, and then substitute it from the equation. Then what you get, c is -1. And then we're going to put everything on this equation, substitute the values of a, b, and c on the original equation, because we are looking for the general term. Then substituting these values like this, and then our equation is this one. So you can do the other examples here. As you can see, if you put it like this, it will show you step by step how to get to the answer. You can see more video like this if you can visit the YouTube channel, and the app can be supplied if you want one. That's it.